Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is for anyone who wants to take their TradingView alerts to the next level. I'm going to show you step by step how to set up phone call alerts using TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get notified by phone call, not just on your computer or through email, but with a real ring to your phone so you never miss an important trading signal. This can be a game changer, especially if you're often away from your screen or you just want that extra level of peace of mind. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to go to TradingView. So whether you're using your computer or your mobile device, open up your browser and head over to TradingView.com. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your account before moving forward. Now, once you're on TradingView's main page, look up at the top menu and find the Products section. Give that a click. This is where TradingView collects all its key features, and you'll see a few different viewing options for your charts and tools. Next, here's a little tip: right-click on the grid view. You might be used to just left-clicking, but right-clicking here gives you a handy context menu. In that menu, you want to select Add Alert. This is where you're telling TradingView what to watch for in your charts, maybe a price moving above a certain level or an indicator changing state. Setting up an alert is like having a virtual assistant keeping its eyes open for those critical moments in the market, so you don't have to check the screen all day. After you've got the alert window open, click on the Notifications tab. This is an important step, so take a moment here. This is where you're going to choose how you want to be notified. By default, TradingView can send you emails or pop-ups, but for a phone call, which is much harder to miss, we need to enable webhooks. Think of a webhook like a bridge between TradingView and another service that can make the phone call for you. Now, a quick heads up: to enable this webhook feature, you do need a TradingView subscription beyond the free tier. So if you haven't already upgraded, you'll need to look into their paid plans. It's a small investment if you're serious about never missing high-stakes alerts. For the phone call itself, you'll need a service that can actually make that call when the webhook is triggered. One popular option is CallHook Pro. You will need to subscribe to CallHook Pro and possibly to an SMS or phone notification add-on depending on your needs. Don't worry if that sounds a bit technical. All you'll need to do is visit the CallHook Pro website, create an account, and follow their instructions to connect with TradingView through the webhook URL you get from them. Once you've set that up, you're done. It might take a few moments to get all the accounts connected, but after this quick setup, every time TradingView triggers your alert, you'll get a direct phone call. No more missed trades because you were away from your desk or phone. That's it for today's guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions, maybe about webhook setup or picking the right subscription, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, actionable trading tutorials and tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.